Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? Back for my post-market wrap-up for this lovely day. You knew I was going to say that. Friday, March 9th, 2018. All right, people. So, new record today for the NASDAQ. You can expect that the other stock market indices like the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the S&P 500, to also follow with new records, more than likely coming next week. Now, if you recall, again, last week I said this week was going to be bullish for the market. Okay. It was extremely bullish for this market despite all the nonsense and the tariff talks and the tariff tantrum, which really never happened. It was just being played up that way. I said this was going to blow up in the face. The whole tariff thing, they were trying to blame on Trump. Oh, the market's selling off. This is his fault. I said it was going to backfire on them. Well, it backfired on them on a massive scale. This is going to continue here. There's no doubt about it. I can't see a reason why, and I know I'm going to get some flack from this. This market is not going to march higher moving into next week. What is standing in the way of this market? For those of you that are going to say I'm wrong, I get that all the time, and 9 times out of 10 I turn out to be right. Honestly, there's nothing here. We got geopolitical events that seem to be cooling down. We got a Federal Reserve that's going to backstop this market from here to eternity. I explained to you this week, especially the language that occurs between what the bond market is doing and the stock market is doing. The all clear has been given, and you saw what happened today. The Dow put on 440 points, and again, new record here for the NASDAQ. Gold and silver put on some gains today. Dollar was weaker, which is stock market positive. Sorry about that. Bonds were all over the place. Did you look at the chart on my website? Please tell me you're watching this on my website. Look to the right side and you'll see a chart of the bond market there. So that's where we are, people. And this market, in my opinion, is going higher. And a lot of this is political. You understand, we have the midterms coming up. They will especially make sure that they prop up this market in this environment. You know, let me just say this real quick. Today was the second best trading day I have had in my trading history. I had an off the Richter scale successful day with regard to trading. And so have many of you. This morning when I posted my positions early on, looks like a lot of you got in with me. And I followed that up later in the day with a tweet. I said, please make sure you're paying it forward. And I don't even know how many people who told me how they did today, ripped this market's face off and are going to pay it forward. It's so important to me. It's why I'm doing this. It's so important. Again, don't let this opportunity pass you by, people. This is not hard, and I promise you, and like I have been promising, that I'm going to keep this going for all of us. They're not going to beat us. There's no way they're going to beat us. You know, they're going to play their games. We're going to play our games. And I don't think they can compete. It's really the truth. I'm talking about the Wall Street banks because I'm out trading all of them. That's the truth. The gains to my portfolio this year are frankly staggering so far. I'm proud to say that, and I work really hard at it, and I do pay it forward big time. I probably give more money away to charity than most people probably making a year's salary. It's the truth. So anyway, that's where we are. Again, a big, huge thank you to all of you that wrote to me that were successful today and take a percentage of these profits and pay that forward. And, or, you know, I don't know, just do something nice for someone because, in my opinion, you know, we are, and I've been saying this for years, responsible for each other, and we have to take responsibility for that. All right. With that said, it is Friday. I want all of you to have a really happy, safe weekend. Love each other, care about each other, and be charitable. And I will see all of you on Monday. We will meet right here, a rendezvous in this spot. And I promise you, it will be another lovely day. See ya.